This 2022 CrossRoads Cameo CE4051BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.